What's up, guys? It's Bailey here, and today I am going to try Seaweed. Okay, so I just ripped it off of the piece. So, and I also got my glass of milk here because it's spicy hot. Bailey, don't do spicy hot. Hey, so let's do this. Woo! I'm just gonna rip off a. Yeah. See that? Okay. Ready? Okay. That tastes better. Oh, it got stuck in my throat. Okay. I will be eating the whole thing, so I'm just gonna fold this in half, right there, and just shove it in my mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna try a bigger piece, because that one was just like on my finger. Oh, some fell on my floor. Okay, so bigger piece. Help me. God, I can't. I've only tried little pieces. I'm not used to this. I can do this. I can't do it. Okay, if you think I'm being a big baby, comment below, okay? This video's not over yet. I think I still have this piece, and this piece, and this piece. I'm gonna eat this little piece first. Oh. Yeah. Here goes the big piece. Wish me luck. Ah. Okay. Ow. My tablet better not drop and break it. Okay, you guys. Hold on, let me take off my hair.
Do all this research on a perfect car, gas mileage, horsepower, torque ratios, 3 spreadsheets later, final agreement.
Okay.
Then smash it into a tree. Your insurance company's
I'm not really a big fan of fish, so yeah. Ugh. I still have this piece. I'm gonna try this piece. I have a problem. Okay. I'm gonna eat it all at the same time. So let's do this.